even without you being present in US, you can run your business in US by setting up LLC. That's what I'm going to show you, and you will also get to avail all the benefit which I'm showing you today in the video. Before we get into the video, I'd like to mention that I've partnered with products and service provider to bring you tools and resources that can help you achieve your goal in this video. The link in the description is an affiliate link, and by using it, you will be supporting this channel at no additional cost to you. This helps me continue creating valuable content for you. Once you click, you come to this website, and in this website, you see, click here, incorporate now. Once you click here, you come to this page, and here you choose entity type LLC. As a non-resident, this is what you will select. You have all the state options here. We will choose Wyoming for today's video. Each state has different state fee, and also rules are different. So Wyoming is one of the preferred state when it comes to non-resident opening the LLC. And here package, and as you see the package, you can also see the order summary, and these are all one-time fee, unlike other places where you will be paying every year. So you get to see this total, and between basic, standard and premium, if you're a non-resident, highly suggested go with either standard or a premium, because there are things like, getting EIN, you can still do it on your own. The challenge would be if you're not in US, connecting with IRS over call and trying to find these information can really get frustrating and can take a lot of time. When you're doing your business, you want to have these things taken care from the start, and you just need to focus on business, not these paperwork and all of the stuff. So not just this, you also get this IRS form 2553 support, which otherwise you'll have to pay for. And these are all the requirements which you will have as you run your business. Then things like operating agreement, which again would additionally cost if you have to go. Remaining things like domain name, business email, all these things you can still find some alternate. So between these two, you can choose any option you want. And as you choose the option, you see the order summary will change. Once you choose the option, different option, the order summary changes here. We'll go with the standard for this video. And once you select that, get started. Here, you will come with name of your company. Designator, from this drop down, you can choose any one. I will keep as it is, LLC, and then the LLC name here. Once the name is entered, this is how the official company name will get displayed. And here the question is, are you registering an entity containing a word or word in any form of foreign language? My response here is no, and then click next. For the state filing time, here we have 3 weeks. And I would like this to get done as quickly as possible. So I'm going for this option. You can choose any option between these and then click next. Here you will enter your name, email address and phone number. In my case, the phone number what I'm entering is Canadian phone number. Once those entries made, I consent to receive SMS, text message and phone call from Busy. Then click next. Since you're not going to be in US and you will not have your own address and there is no PO box which is accepted, you will need a professional business address and a virtual mail service. Again, this is chargeable additional $29 per month, which you can cancel anytime you want. So this is the address you will get, and then the suite number will get allotted once the order completion goes. So once this is selected, come down for the contact address. Here, the contact address what you will give is your home country address, as this will be used for the internal purpose only. So once the address is entered, next. Here I'm good with what package I have. I'm not going for the premium package, so I will leave as it is, and then no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. This is the company name which was earlier given, and number of member and owner. Since it's going to be one person, I select one. In your case, you'll have to select the number of member you have. Then for the member one, I'm selecting individual and then selecting my name. So once I select this, here the name automates on the basis of selection. Then we will come down and then we click next. Since as a non-resident, we will not be in that country, we would require someone who is a registered agent who will receive and forward important legal and tax correspondence on behalf of the company. So this agent has to have an address also. And for that reason, I'm keeping this selection assigned Busy as my registered agent free for 1 year. Otherwise, cost $119. And just by having then any legal or tax document which comes, I will get that forwarded by them to my email address. So once this is selected, we'll come down and then click next. For the EIN and tax identification number information, here I am a foreign individual and do not have social security number. This will be yes, and once you select that, confirm. Please review and agree to the statement listed below in order for us to prepare SS4 application for non-US citizens. So they will get the SS4 application ready, and for that, I'm not a citizen of United States. I have never been issued a social security number. Prepared SS4 application will be provided and will require my digital signature prior to being delivered to IRS. So SS4 application, as it is mentioned here, they will prepare and give it to you. You'll have to digitally sign, and with that, the IRS will be able to give you the EIN, which will be required for any banking transaction or to get any money. So once this is done and you click I agree here for the name selection, I'm checking this, the name comes here, and then come down. In this, use the assigned company address provided by Busy is what I'm selecting. And once that selection is made, click next. You would need a bank to do your day-to-day transaction, which will be a business bank account. So in case you want to go with this option, you can say I'm interested. You can go through. It's a no account fee or minimum. So you can also choose option for ask me later. I'm choosing ask me later here. Also give you a free consultation and tax strategy in case you're interested. You can book since it is no cost, or you can say I'm not interested this time and then click next. I'm aware what business license and permit I need, so I will skip this part. No thank you. In case you want, it is chargeable, that is $99. So they will handhold with the information what is required for business permit and licensing. In my case, I'm selecting no and then click next. So this is the review order section. Here, whatever information has been filled till now, that gets reviewed, check, recheck, cross-check. And once you have ensured that everything is correct, you click next. This is the billing information section. Here you can see what the total is, and you can use PayPal or credit card. If you are using credit card, then you select the name of the credit card holder. You can manually enter, or you can just select as it is. And then once you come down, enter the billing address and then click I agree to the legal statement and cancellation policy. And then you go ahead and do the complete and pay. Once this is done, the company will get your filing done. They will get you the LLC incorporated. And once that is done, they will inform you, after which your SS4 form for the EIN will be filled and submitted. And once you have your EIN, you can open your business bank account, and that way you are all set for your business in US. I hope you find this video useful. Please make sure you're using the link below to get all the benefit what is shown here, and thanks for watching.